What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to talk about Wise Business Account. The Wise Business Account is a smart online alternative to traditional business bank accounts designed to help small and medium-sized business manage their international transaction efficiently and cost-effectively. With Wise Business, businesses can send and receive payments in multiple currencies, manage cash flow, and access tools for invoicing and payroll, all while enjoying low fees and transparent pricing. Now, let's talk about some of its benefits and features. Streamlined payments. Wise Business offers a batch payment tool that allows you to send multiple payments in one go. This feature is particularly useful for businesses that need to send frequent payment to employees, freelancers, or vendors. By uploading a batch payment file, you can pay up to 1,000 invoices in multiple currencies with a single click, saving time and effort. This streamlined process ensures that your payments are made efficiently and accurately without the need for manual data entry or multiple login credentials. Faster payment processing. Wise Business integrates seamlessly with accounting software like QuickBooks, Xero, and Oracle NetSuite. This ensures that all transactions are automatically recorded, eliminating the need for manual data entry and ensuring your bookkeeping is up to date. This feature helps you track payments, manage spending, and perform other accounting-related tasks with less human error, making it easier to manage your finances and get paid faster. With Wise Business, you can focus on growing your business while ensuring that your financial records are accurate and up to date. Enhanced collaboration. Wise Business allows you to grant access to multiple team members, giving them tailored permission to manage specific functionalities in your account. This feature enables smoother operations by allowing designated team members to access your account without relying on a single person. With Wise Business, you can assign different roles to team members, ensuring that each person has the necessary permission to perform their task efficiently. This enhanced collaboration feature helps to streamline your workflow and reduce the risk of errors or delays. Unified account management. Wise Business allows you to hold and manage funds in multiple currencies from one account. This feature is particularly useful for businesses engaged in international trade as it simplifies the process of managing multiple currencies and reduces the need for multiple accounts. With Wise Business, you can manage all your currencies in one place, ensuring that your financial operations are streamlined and efficient. This unified account management feature helps to reduce the complexity of managing multiple currencies and ensures that your financial records are accurate and up to date. Transparent pricing. Wise Business offers transparent pricing with no hidden fees or monthly subscriptions. This means you only pay for the services you use, making it a cost-effective option for businesses. Additionally, Wise Business provides real-time exchange rates, ensuring you get the best value for your money. With Wise Business, you can trust that you are getting the best possible rates for your transactions without any surprise fees or charges. This transparent pricing model helps to reduce the risk of financial surprises and ensures that you can manage your finances with confidence. Now, let's talk about some potential drawbacks. Wise's transfer fees can be higher for certain currencies compared to other providers. This might be a drawback for businesses that frequently send money to specific countries or use specific currencies. Wise's fees are competitive overall, but the higher fees for certain currencies could impact cost efficiency for businesses with specific international payment needs. Wise customer support is limited in terms of accessibility. Existing customers can reach out via phone, email, or the contact form on the Wise website, but access to these contact details requires logging in. This can make it difficult for potential customers to get assistance before opening an account. Wise is not a traditional bank and does not offer features like cash deposits or overdrafts. This can be a drawback for businesses that require these services. Wise focuses on providing a virtual multi-currency account for international transactions, which might not be suitable for all business needs. In conclusion, Wise Business offers a convenient and cost-effective solution for international transactions, but it is essential to consider the potential drawbacks such as higher transfer fees for certain currencies and limited customer support. By weighing these factors against the benefits, businesses can determine whether Wise Business is the right choice for their financial needs. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.